To answer this question, we want to get x by itself. In other words, it's nice to get it on one side of the equation. So I can do something to both sides that either bring all the x's over here or all the x's over here. It doesn't really matter which, so long as they're on one side and the number of parts are on the other. So let's get started. I'm going to elect to subtract 9x from both sides, and what that's going to do is bring all my x's to the left side of the equation. So now I have negative 6x plus 7 is equal to, those cancel, negative 29. So I now have a nice two-step equation. I could have gone the other way and ended up with the x on the right, but all things being equal, I usually like the left. Anyway, if I subtract 7 on both sides, those cancel and I get negative 6x is equal to negative 29 minus 7, so it's going to go down 7 more to negative 36. And finally, I can divide by negative 6 on both sides, and my answer is that x itself has to equal negative 36 divided by negative 6, which is a positive 6. Let's take a moment to check by putting 6 into the original. In that case, I get 3 times 6 plus 7. And I want to know, is that equal to 9 times 6? Running out of room here, so I'm just going to write it down. Minus 29. So 3 times 6 is 18. And 18 plus 7 is equal to 25. So on the left side I have 25. On the right side, 9 times 6 is equal to 54. And 54 minus 29, yes, that's also equal to 25. So they do equal one another. And therefore my solution checks out. X equals 6 is the correct answer. Remember, the first critical step is to gather all your x's on one side or on the other, and you can do that by subtracting the same thing from both sides. I could have just as easily subtracted a 3x from both sides, but I choose to keep the x on the left, thereby subtracting 9x on both sides. Thank you.